Most people get this wrong. They assume all dropshipping platforms are the same, but Shopify and Dropify actually serve slightly different purposes. Today, we're breaking it down so you can pick the best option. Shopify is a full-fledged e-commerce platform. It allows you to build your store, manage products, handle payments, and integrate with dropshipping apps like Oberlo or DSers. Its biggest advantage is flexibility. You can fully customize your website, add multiple apps, and scale as your business grows. For example, many successful Shopify stores use custom themes and integrations to automate marketing and fulfillment. Dropify, on the other hand, is more of a streamlined dropshipping solution. It focuses on sourcing products and automating order fulfillment. It's ideal for beginners who want a fast setup without worrying about building a full e-commerce site. However, customization options are limited, and scaling beyond simple operations can be challenging. The surprising truth is that many successful dropshippers actually use Shopify together with Dropify. Shopify handles the storefront and customer experience, while Dropify takes care of sourcing and shipping. This combination gives you the best of both worlds. In conclusion, if you want complete control, customization, and long-term scalability, Shopify is the better choice. If you're just testing the waters and want simplicity, Dropify is easier to start with. For serious dropshippers, integrating both might be the ultimate strategy. Subscribe for more honest dropshipping platform reviews and tips to grow your online business effectively.